Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? I hope you will be fine. Today in our grade 3 class our topic is articles. Today I will teach you two types of articles, definite articles and indefinite articles. We have indefinite articles a or an. Articles a and an we use with common noun and for as a singular, and but the definite article the is used for particular things and place. A is used before the consonant, and is used before vowels. You know why we how many vowels we have? We have 5 vowels: A, E, I, O, U. And why we call them vowel? Because their sounds are similar. The is used with the particular things, place and person. Here for example we have example for you. Why? What we will use? Before a boy we will use a. Observe this is consonant, and before consonant we will use article a. Now look this noun. This noun starts with letter, vowel letter, and before this we will use an. Now Faisal Masjid. Faisal Masjid is a particular place, is a specific name and a famous mosque. So before this we will use the Faisal Masjid. Okay student, now come on your book exercise. Okay student, now we have question: fill in the blanks with suitable articles. My mother baked dash a cake on my birthday. Now cake is used commonly, so we will write here a. Einstein was a famous mathematician. We will write here the, because he is the famous. We heard an owl hooting in the night. अब now observe, owl का जो word है वो किससे start हो रहा है? आर्टिकल वो जो start हो रहा है वो vowel letter से start हो रहा है. So we will write an. The actor. अब actor आपके पास क्या है? कोई particular ख़ास एक profession है. The actor were rehearsing a play. Play normally जो है आप वर्ड यूज़ करते हैं. There is a time to play and a time to work. I read a story about now unicorn. Word is starting with the vowel letter, so we will put an before unicorn. And an elephant. Elephant also start with the vowel letter, so we will write n. All the children. Now children wanted to go. It is plural, so for plural we will also use the. I have told you कि a और an ये क्या है? सिंगुलर भी यूज़ होते हैं, ठीक है? सिंगुलर थिंग्स के साथ भी यूज़ होते हैं. So the word children is plural, so we will write the. Wanted to go on a picnic. We waited for an hour for a school bus. I have dash uncle who lives on a boat. I have an uncle. What we will write here? An. Who lives on a boat. dash subject I like most is history. Now uh, someone is talking about a particular subject, so we will write here the subject I like. The subject I like. Now we have one more exercise. Fill in the blanks with the suitable articles. 1. Dash lion is dash king of the forest. The lion is a king of the forest. Now they are talking about a particular animal, so we will write the lion is a king of. Wisdom. Wasim knows how to play. Now tabla is word tabla is specific for something, so we will write here the the dash graphy has long dash long neck. Now graphy is a specific, a particular animal, so we will write, and graphy will also, we will put capital G, has a long neck. She put the letter in an envelope. I hope, student, you understand this topic clearly, and you have to do the page number 66 by yourself. This is your homework, and take care. Allah Hafiz.